It's 60 pound. How are you gonna pay for it? Can I pay by phone? Yeah, sure, you can. It doesn't work. Try again. Still doesn't work. Maybe you need bank card.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, sure. Can't you be faster? You are so slow. We are waiting in the queue. Yeah, sure. I am trying.
There is something wrong with this card. Would you mind trying another one?
Hey, can you be faster? I am getting late. And also, so many people are waiting. Sorry, I won't buy these things. I am so sorry.
It's alright.
Hello? Yeah, can you check my card why it doesn't work? Wait a moment, please. Hello, miss. You have checked. All of your bank cards are frozen.
All frozen?
Yes, so if you want to activate your cards, please contact the account's owner.
Alright, got it. Thank you. Maria, you are really cruel. What I'm gonna do now?
It's my card. If you need to spend money in the future, you can use it.